Did you know that most people who own smartphones have more than one charging cable? The cables get tangled easily and also lack one feature in common: they're not wearable. Thus, we came up with this question: why can't we make a charging cable into a bracelet or even with a power bank? And that's how NiftyX life-saving bracelet was born. Your second cable. NiftyX life-saving bracelet is made of genuine leather with a premium stainless steel buckle with an emergency power bank. Also, it's available in both Android and iPhone. And we hand braid all of the bracelets with our authentic craftsmanship. Also, we have NiftyX Awesome Bracelet, which is a version of NiftyX life-saving bracelet without the power bank. We assure that our NiftyX bracelets are the unique product on the market. When your phone has run out of juice and you borrow a power bank from your friend, but the cable that your friend has is not your type, no worries. Now you have a NiftyX bracelet on your wrist. You can charge your phone anytime, anywhere with a power bank beside. Well, even if you don't have a power bank with you, you can always use your NiftyX life-saving bracelet for emergency use. It's just plug and go. NiftyX life-saving bracelet can be used as a charging cable too. What about becoming a lifesaver for your buddy? You can always lend your NiftyX life-saving bracelet to your mate, and you probably will save his day. And you probably didn't know it, our bracelets are the fastest way to charge your phone in the world. Also, you can now get rid of your tangled cable. Use our NiftyX bracelet. Our bracelets are nifty, handy, and tangle-free. It also fits our various daily wear. You don't only have to wear it on the wrist. Also, you can hang it on your bag. It's a truly great gift for your best friends and family. Not to mention your partner as well. It even fits with your business attire. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we would be grateful if you share it or back our project. This is NiftyX.